everyone, welcome to my channel Crochet Rainbows and Butterflies. Today we're going to learn how to crochet this Christmas wind spinner. Now before we go ahead with this tutorial, if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to never miss a crochet tutorial. Now for this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 3mm. You can use any crochet yarn, but I'm using crochet 4-ply cotton yarn. I've also used some beads and a little bit of embroidery thread to tie the wind spinner. So let's get started. We begin with a slip knot, and once you have your slip knot, you need to work a chain of 100. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And continue working a chain till you have a chain of 100. Now once you have a chain of 100, you need to chain 1 and cut your yarn. We are going to change the color for the next row. Now I'm going to join the next color by working a slip knot. And I'm going to go ahead and join it right here in this chain. And chain 2, 1 and 2. Now in the next stitch, we're going to work a half double crochet. Now to work a half double crochet, you need to yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. You need to yarn over and pull through all 3. Again, half double crochet in the next stitch. So for that, you yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook. You need to yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Now that is how you work a half double crochet, and you need to work 1 half double crochet in each stitch of this row till you reach the end of this row. So continue working 1 half double crochet in each of these stitches till you reach the end of this row. I've completed working 1 half double crochet in each stitch. Now you need to turn your work. You chain 2, and in the same stitch you need to work 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Now in the next stitch you need to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. In the next stitch, 3 double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. And now you need to continue working 3 double crochets in each stitch of this row. So in the next stitch 3 double crochets, next stitch 3 double crochets, and continue working 3 double crochets in each stitch of this row till you reach the end of this row. I've completed working the double crochets. Your work is going to be all curled up now. And after you complete the last 3 double crochets, you need to chain 1 and cut your yarn. We are going to join the next color, and this is where you finish your row. We are going to start working the next color right from this end, right here where you started your previous row. So for that, I'm going to work a slip knot first. and I'm going to go into the first chain 2 that you started the row with right here. And you work a chain, and now you work 1 single crochet in the same stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and you need to continue working 1 single crochet in each stitch of this row till you reach right up till here. I've completed my row. I'm at the last stitch right here. Now in the last stitch, I'm going to work 1 more single crochet. And now you chain 1 and cut your yarn. Now for the next row, we are going to change color. This is where we finished our row. We are going to start right here where you started your previous row. We are going to change color right there and start the next row from here. I'm working a slip knot. And for this row, we are going to work only in the back loops of the stitches. Like this. We are not going to go in the stitch like this. If you can see, you have your loops here. This is your front loop of your stitch, and this is the back loop of your stitch. So normally when we stitch, when we take a stitch, we go in like this. You're only going to go in the back loop like this. So this is your back loop. Again, this is the back loop, and this is the back loop of the next stitch. So we're going to start with the first one right here. And you chain 1 and you work 1 single crochet. Now in the next stitch in the back loop, you work 1 single crochet. In the next stitch in the back loop, you work 1 single crochet, and you need to continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. I've completed my row. I'm in the last stitch. And in the last stitch, you need to work 1 more single crochet. And now you chain 1 and cut your yarn. And now you need to work in all your loose ends and cut them off. After you finish working the ends, you need to lay this in a circle like this and keep working the rows like this. You need to try and straighten up your work in a circle. Like this. Now I have the silver thread which I'm going to attach right here which will hold the wind spinner, and I have these line of beads which I'm going to attach at the end. So I'm going to start with this thread first. Right here. I'm going to tie it up. And at the end, right here, I'm going to attach the beads. You can attach your tassels made of the same yarn or pom-poms, but I'm going to just attach the beads right here. We've completed working the wind spinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.